Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update your profile in the Coupert application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Profile button. So first, as you can see, you can set an avatar if you click on that. And there are two options. You can either take a photo or choose one from your album. Here you can set a nickname for yourself. If you want to, you can, of course, give your full name, whichever you prefer. Next, you can set your date of birth, so just edit that. And lastly, you can, of course, set your gender, and if you're ready, then just click on the update button, and then your profile is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye!